The company involved in a serious workplace accident in Canberra on Friday has had another of its construction sites shut down. Kenos workers have been told to down tools indefinitely. An inspection found the contractor was committing a series of safety breaches on the new Molonglo housing estate.
We've now had concerns at 2 sites operated by Kenos, and we won't be allowing them to continue work on those sites until they've addressed those issues.
A 48-year-old man was seriously injured when his truck hit power lines at a site in Turner last week, sparking a full investigation of the Fishwick company. The ACT's workplace watchdog is still considering whether to prosecute the company over that accident.